Welcome back to Yarn by the Glass. My name is Reese, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the Breezy Infinity Scarf. This is a pretty simple pattern. It's just a bunch of double crochets over and over again with some space in between. It uses just like a regular worsted weight yarn with a slightly larger hook so that the pattern itself looks bigger, fluffier than it would if we were using the recommended hook for that yarn. And it's just a really light, fun pattern. If you're looking to wear a scarf on the cooler summer days, or as the days move into fall and things start to cool down a little bit. So yeah, let's get into what we're going to be needing to make this pattern. Alright, so for this project we're going to be using any kind of worsted weight yarn. We're going to go with the crochet hook J, and then we're also going to be needing some scissors and a tapestry needle. Okay, so once you've found the center of your yarn, or the end of your yarn, we're going to start out with a slip knot. Alright, so we're going to start out by chaining 32. Alright, so once you have all 32, we are going to start out with a double crochet. So we're going to wrap the yarn around our hook. We're going to skip the first 3 of these chains and moving into the 4th one. We're going to insert our hook, grab the yarn, pull through. Grab the yarn, pull through the first 2 loops, and grab the yarn, pull through the second 2 loops. Chain 1, wrap the yarn around our hook. We're going to skip the next chain. Going into the next, we're going to do another double crochet. Chain 1, skip a chain, double crochet, chain 1, skipping the next, double crochet, and we're going to keep going like this for the entire rest of the row. So double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, and double crochet. Alright, so then we are going to chain 3 after that last double crochet in our row. We are going to turn our work around. And now we're going to be working into these chain 1 spaces. So our first one is here. So we're going to do a double crochet into that space. Chain 1, double crochet into the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, and so on. We're going to do this for the entire rest of the row. Alright, and then we're going to end in a single crochet, we're going to end in a double crochet into that space, and that's going to count as one of our posts. So once you've done that, we're going to chain 3, turn our work, and repeat. So we're going right into this first chain 1 space, doing our double crochets, making sure to always do a chain 1 after. Alright, so this is the pattern. So we're going to keep going, doing this exact row over and over again until the entire scarf is about 5.5 feet long. And then once we get to that point, we are going to bring the ends together so that it's that continuous loop that makes up the infinity scarf. Okay, so once you get to your last row, we're going to take a whole bunch of extra yarn and cut it. We're going to grab our tapestry needle, remove our hook, put the yarn through the tapestry needle, and then I'm going to pull everything through that last loop. Okay, we're going to line up our two sides together, and then we're going to start weaving everything together. So going into the top of this knot and at the other side, just slowly bring everything together. And we're just going to keep moving along both of these edges until you've reached the end. Okay. And then one thing to remember is when you're doing this, you don't want to make your weaving in yarn too tight because you want this to still be stretchy. But you want it to be together, just not crimped together. Alright, so once you've finished that part, you can just weave in your ends and cut any extra yarn. And you have a scarf. And that is it. Well, that does it for today. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate your support, and I hope you guys enjoy your Breezy Infinity scarf. If you like these kinds of projects, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more ideas. I do try to post content at least once a week. You can also follow me on social media for quick links, upcoming videos, and so on. So see you next time.